your confusion with one detailed comparison. First, the hook. Many people choose the wrong CCTV system and later suffer from blurry images, dark night vision, cable issues, low recording backup, and missing AI features, but after today, you'll make a smart decision. Intro. An NVR is a pure IP system that delivers high-clarity advanced AI security and future-proof technology, while an XVR is a hybrid recorder that supports analog cameras and also allows you to add limited IP cameras, giving you upgrade flexibility. Now the main body. An NVR system uses IP cameras, which work like mini computers that digitally process every frame before sending it to the NVR, resulting in extremely sharp image quality 1080p for MP, 8MP for K, and even AI-enhanced visuals. In night vision, NVR, IP systems are unbeatable because they offer advanced features like WDR, BLC, HLC, color night vision, and AI motion detection. This makes NVR ideal for large shops, plazas, factories, schools, offices, and any place where high-level security is necessary. The strength of an XVR system is that it supports analog cameras running on coaxial cable and also allows you to add one to IP cameras, meaning if you already have old analog cameras installed, XVR becomes the most budget-friendly upgrade solution. However, analog camera clarity is limited, smart features are minimal, and night vision is not as powerful as IP cameras. Cable difference is also important. NVR uses Ethernet cables CAT/6/5 that provide stable speed and long-distance performance, whereas XVR depends on coaxial cable, which is more prone to signal loss. In terms of storage, IP systems use slightly more space due to higher resolution, but they use modern compression like H.265+. Budget-wise, XVR is cheaper and NVR is more expensive, but NVR delivers complete value through its features and clarity. For future-proofing, NVR is the clear winner because analog technology is slowly becoming outdated while IP cameras are getting smarter and more advanced every year. If you want your CCTV system to remain strong, stable, clear, and upgradable for the next 5 to 7 years, NVR is definitely worth buying. But if you already have old cameras installed, don't want to change the cabling, or have a tight budget, XVR is the best hybrid option. So the final answer is simple. If you want high-clarity AI features, strong night performance, long-term security, and future-proof technology, choose NVR. But if you want to stay within budget or use a mix of old and new cameras, XVR is the best value choice. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and comment whether you're re-choosing NVR or XVR. iLines also recommend the best models for your setup.